where we going. Alright, let me get these. You guys keep me going. Every last one of y'all. It's like, who is that girl? Look at this bird, y'all. Hey guys, what's up my beautiful people? It's your girl Nikki and I am back with another video. So I just came back from the grocery store. I am done with work for today. Yes, it's Tuesday by the way. And I went to the grocery store really quick to just grab a few items, which I have right here in front of me. I went to the grocery store just to grab a few items. I'm making, oh look, and they gave us free flowers at the grocery store, all the ladies. I guess these are the flowers that didn't sell Valentine's Day. But yeah, this was nice. Yeah. What we are going to do for dinner tonight, I am making grilled shrimp and broccoli, fettuccine alfredo, garlic bread, and salad. Yes, so I had to go upstairs and grab you guys, wash my hands, and get ready. So the guys should be coming in soon. Dan will probably be here before Vince. And yeah, so let me go ahead and get it started. I don't know if you guys want to watch me. I guess I'll show you guys how I make it. My kitchen is clean, just the way I like it. I hate to cook in a dirty kitchen. Right, ladies? You like to, when you're in the kitchen, you want to go in the kitchen when it's clean, no dishes in there. You're ready to get it started. I got the jumbo shrimps, which I'm going to put in a bowl right now so they can defrost and I can peel them. I have some shrimps on sale. The tiger shrimps on sale, and I got what was left. They had them on sale for $7.99, so I only got what was left, which was $5.43. I got some tomato garlic bread. I'm lazy, okay? I'm lazy. I'm not doing the homemade Alfredo sauce today with the heavy cream, the Parmesan and all. I'm not doing that. So I got the Prego roasted garlic and Parmesan. I got 2 of these. They were on sale, y'all. Buy one, get one free in Publix. Today's the last day though. Sorry. Fettuccine noodles. Got some mixed vegetables just to throw in my freezer. I'm not going to make that tonight. Yeah. Put that in the freezer. Broccoli. Because they had them on sale, 3 for $10. So I got 3 bags of these. I'm going to steam them. I'm going to steam 2 bags and we'll have that with our shrimp Alfredo tonight. Put this back in the freezer. Okay, spinach, some Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and get it started. I guess you guys could watch me. This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth. Now I'm all up in your. Now we both look Asian. Keep waving and I'm drunk. I got that shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juice. That's just what you choose to do. When you put it on me, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki and we are back with another video. I don't know if I said that earlier in this video, but I don't vlog like, how can I explain it? When you guys watch this video, it's not all in one day. It's little bits and pieces throughout my 2 weeks. Yeah, so happy Saturday. Today is the last day of Black History Month. First beautiful day we had all week here in Georgia. It's been a gloomy, cold, wet, rainy type of week, but here we are. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet, and we get ready to head on out. So tomorrow is actually my mother-in-law's birthday, so we're gonna stop by her house just to chit chat with her for a little bit. I'm not sure if she's going out. I need to call her because I think she was going out with her girls. I'm doing laundry, so I'm waiting on the washing machine to stop so that way I can put the load in the dryer and then we're gonna head on out. First, I want to tell you guys what I'm wearing today. I ain't wearing nothing spectacular, okay? I got on this top. God, I don't even remember where I got this from. I think I got this from Amazon. My hat from Culture King. My jeans are from Zara. These are from Zara. They are really ripped up. Part of it kind of like ripped off. These are like my favorite jeans. Oh, did I say Zara? I'm sorry. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. Yes. So that's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Nike Airs. I'm bringing my same Ball Label bag. I've been walking around with this bag, y'all, for the past 2 weeks since Valentine's Day. I ordered something from Zara. Now, I don't have any good luck with ordering from Zara. Every time, let's knock on wood. I don't have no wood. I want to knock on wood. Hold on. I just had to go knock on wood. Every time I order something from Zara, y'all, it's always not my size. It's just not my size. The last time I ordered from Zara, I don't know if you remember, but I had ordered a pair of shoes from Zara. They sent me a size 7.5 and a size 8. Okay, so I don't know what's going on with Zara. So here it is. I did order something from Zara. This been sitting down on my floor in here for the past week. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. You guys are gonna see what it is. Hopefully this will fit me. Hopefully. Maybe I'll try it on. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Here it is. Alright, y'all, so I ordered a pair of baggy denim jeans from Zara. I told you guys that I am into baggy jeans. And let's see, this is a size, what size is this? I ordered a size 0. Yes, it is a 0. Yes. I don't think I'm gonna try it on, y'all. Y'all want me to try it on? Y'all want me to try it on, right?
Yes, girl, yes.
Okay. Let's try it on. I really like these jeans. Thumbs up. I love the little slit right here. They're not too long. They're stressed in the back. I don't have the best of luck ordering from Zara. I never did. This is the first time. So this is going down in history, okay? So I could definitely start ordering some boyfriend ripped jeans in size 0. I'm happy about that. I wanted to tell you guys a real quick story. Those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. I am a mom to a 19-year-old, a wife to my sweetie. I work from home and I post videos on YouTube. I post when I can, okay? I post when I can. If you guys watch my last vlog, our date night that went wrong, I had posted a picture on Instagram. Now, here's the thing about Instagram, y'all. If y'all following me on Instagram, you don't have to, because I am rarely on Instagram. I post pictures or I post on my story maybe once, twice a month.
That is funny.
Now, the last picture I had was my birthday, and that was in September 2025, last year. See, I'm not good with that. So anyway, I had posted a picture and one of my girlfriends had called me and she was like, Nikki, I seen your post on Instagram. She said, you are that girl. I said, what? She said, you that girl. I said, what girl? She was like, that girl. Who? Do y'all say that? You that girl. I don't know who that girl is. I understand the lingos. I understand the slangs and the terms, the new it thing to say. But when she said, you that girl, I was like, what girl? Who's that girl? I never say I'm that girl. I don't even feel comfortable saying that. I'm that girl. Who's that girl? No, I'm me. I'm Niki. My name is Niki. That's it. I just wanted to ask you guys that. It's like, who is that girl? Anyway, maybe I'm old school. Oh, I did get two things I got from Amazon. I had ordered some ramen noodles. It's not the ones that you see in the grocery stores. And this one is made of brown rice. This is the healthier choice to go when it comes to ramen noodles. So I ordered from Amazon, and I'll show you guys that later on. And I also ordered some ramen bowls because I think I'm gonna make me a ramen, like with some shrimp. I don't do the egg. I eat egg white, but I don't eat egg yolk. I need to also let you guys know, just for the new ones, we don't eat meat here in this house. My son is 100% vegetarian. He doesn't eat anything that had eyes. Myself and my husband, we do eat fish, so we consider ourselves a pescatarian. That's what we are. We don't eat meat, chicken, pork, beef. Yeah, I wanted to tell you guys that. So that's it. Let's go see my mother-in-law. I'll see you guys in the car. Back in the Batmobile. Put my little glasses on. Denim, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? What's up, people?
Sweetie, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Yeah, baby. Just taking a quick run. That's all we're doing. Dropping off, picking up, and that's it. Look at this little mirror, y'all. This little slit. I can't see my lips and my eyes at the same time.
Worth listening to them for a whole hour.
You wouldn't understand, sweetie. You're not a vlogger. Any guys out there watch my channel? Comment down below. I was watching somebody on YouTube. I don't remember his name. And he was saying sometimes, like when he was giving advice to new YouTubers, new ones, you know, that just came on the platform. He said, don't overthink it. Because when you overthink your content, like, oh, should I, okay, I'm gonna go shopping, or should I cook this meal, or should I do this? He said, don't do that. Go with the flow. You want to pick up your camera and you film, that's it. There's no timeline. There's no time. There's no rush. You post when you post. Watching that kind of made me feel good. That's why I don't post every week. Because I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I used to post every single week. And it was kind of like pressure. You know? I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get a video. I gotta get a video out. No. I don't have to get a video out. I'm just keeping it real, y'all. I do believe when they say stay consistent. I agree. Because I myself watch YouTube. And sometimes if my girls, I call them my girls, if they not dropping a video and I'm like, damn, a whole month went by, I kind of miss them. You know, like, where they at? So I like consistency. You don't have to drop every week. I'm not asking for that. But every 2 weeks is fine with me. You post when you can. Everybody got a life. There's so many social media apps. You have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat. I'm quite sure I'm missing more. You know what I'm saying? So I take my hat off. I applaud you ladies and gentlemen that is on top of your game with all these apps. I don't know how y'all do it. So me, I pick one. YouTube. YouTube is it. Instagram, I'm horrible with my Instagram, y'all. I'm just a vlogger. Are y'all ready for the spring? I am. I'm so ready for the nice weather. I heard New York was going to get another snowstorm, sweetie.
I know.
Oh my gosh. My heart goes out to you guys up in New York. I'm representing New York. Got my hat on. I'm representing for you guys. Stay warm up there, y'all. Hang in there. Spring is right around the corner.
In every place. In every face.
Girls out there that I watch on YouTube. I watch Monroe Steele, Janae Naylor, Nitra B, Peyton Charles, Billy XO, Rochelle Chanel, Keisha Anderson, Naima Bennett, Marsha Party of 6, Amber Martin, Latoya Forever. So each one of these ladies, I've seen the relationships, I've seen the responsibility of being a mom, the fashion, the style, you know, being married, being single. Like it's just a little mixture of my melting pot, and I love it. So those are the type of girls I watch.
50 different people you watch.
I watch all my girls. I love all of them. They are just, I love watching y'all. I do. So, yeah. You guys keep me motivated. As much as I be like, you know what? This YouTube ain't for me. I'm putting my camera down. I don't want, I'm tired. You guys keep me going. Every last one of y'all. So, big up to you guys. Let me go.
A few moments later.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Man, question asking, blunt passing, music lasting, but I just can't quit because one of these hoes make it down to keep the episode.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Alright, let me get this.
Jump in the rover and come over, tell your friends.
Many hours later.
So we went to my mom's house. I went to go see her really, really quick. Hey, mommy. And we went to my mother-in-law's house. I'm drinking Bailey's hazelnut coffee. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yes. And now we are going to go get some soul food. We're going to this spot here in on this side of town. It's called This Is It, and they are known for their soul food. That's where we going. Denim, what you getting?
Rice, beans.
Rice and beans. Oh, black eyed peas.
Yeah,
Thank you. Hello. I'm gonna get the 2-piece whiting and 2 sides. Denim, you're gonna get the three veggie plate. Made it back in the house. I am full. I am so full. I just finished eating my food. I should have showed you guys my food. It was so good. I had fried fish and macaroni and cheese and collard greens and cornbread. So good. Yes, so here it is. I'm in my bathroom. Yep, I'm about to wrap my hair, take a shower, and I need to make up my bed. I had took my sheets off my bed and put them in the wash, and I took out my other sheets, and now I need to make up my bed. So that's what I need to do. I'm so full, y'all. I can't even move. I can't even move. I can't even move, y'all. I'm so stuffed. I think I ate too much. I feel sick. Oh, and that coffee that I had earlier, I don't drink coffee, like caffeine coffee. I don't. The coffee, I'm a tea drinker. If you know, I drink tea. If I do drink coffee, it is mushroom coffee, which has no caffeine. And I had coffee, as y'all saw, from my mother-in-law, and I don't know what it was. And then I put that, what is it called? Truvia, something like a sweetener. I put that sweetener in there. So it tastes so good. But on the way home, I felt like I was freaking, hold on. On the way home, I don't know, I just felt like I had to throw up. Like I felt so nauseous. I felt like my body was like, girl, what did you just do? What did you put in here? What did you do? My body was like, I don't want that in here. I felt so nauseous. The guys are downstairs. They're watching the basketball game. They're watching Lakers and Golden State. It just started. So that's what they're doing. Hey y'all. It's a beautiful day outside. I am going to take my car to the car wash. This is what I have on today. These boxes sitting here for a week, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This is not your average noodles that you would get in Walmart, the grocery store, made with organic rice. It's by Millet and Brown Rice Ramen. Let's go ahead and open that up real quick. I might make ramen one day this week. This is what it looks like, guys. These are the spoons to sip your broth with. I'm gonna put these in a dishwasher. Out the bag. These are the little bowls. You know when you at the hibachi and they give you the yum yum sauce and the soy sauce. So you get 2 little bowls. I'm not gonna need it. I guess, you know what? I will need these. When I have sushi, I can put my soy sauce in these bowls. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna need these. This is so cute, you know. Yeah. What else? Here is the ramen bowl. Oh my goodness. And they have them in different colors, y'all. They have where it's all black on the outside, and then they have some with the inside is red. You can get yellow. I think they had a turquoise color, like a teal color. I got all black because I like black. You can never go wrong with all black. Yeah, so this is so cute. I love this. This is where you rest your chopsticks. Here's my chopsticks. Good quality. Yeah, I love these. So y'all eat with chopsticks? I do. So this is the setup. This is for your yum yum sauce or your soy sauce. This is for your ramen noodles, broth. And this is a little holder for your chopsticks. I think that is so cute. Yeah. Yep. I've been good, y'all. I haven't been ordering like crazy on Amazon or anything like that. I just been working, grinding. But I know my time will come, because when it gets really nice outside, that's when your girls stay ordering. But yeah, let me go. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys soon. We got a damn bird in our garage. Do y'all see him? Why would Denim do that? Look at this bird. Maybe I should open up your side. He's trying to get out. Let me open up your side. He's a baby. He's trying to get out. He's scared, sweetie. Oh, come on out. Come on out, birdie. Denim went out there to move his car. Oh my goodness. He's scared. He's trying to get out. Y'all see him? Look at this bird, y'all. How in the world is he? How did he get in here, Denim?
I left it out because I thought you were going to go out.
Now, there is a bird inside my garage. And Sweetie said, you know what that mean? I said, what that mean? He said, that means death. I'm like, oh my gosh. I gotta look it up. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. We need to get the bird out. Let me call my mom. My mom knows. My mom knows what that stuff means. I'm gonna call my mommy. Hey Siri, call mommy. My glasses are dirty.
Mommy.
Hey mom, I'm in my car. I'm on my way to go to the car wash. And when I opened up, I asked Denim to move his car because his car blocks my car, right? So I was in the kitchen, and then when I opened the door to go in the garage to get in my car, there's a bird inside the garage flying around, little baby bird. So Vince said that means death.
Really?
That's what Vince said, so I'm calling you to ask you that. Does that mean death?
I don't know.
Club members entrance. I'm not a club member. Oh, my mom said she doesn't know what it means when a bird flies into your garage. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT and make sure everything is closed, because I don't think I ever opened this. Did I open this? No. Okay, I never opened that. My back windows are closed. This is the first time my car is going to the car wash, y'all. Actually, it's a year. It's been 1 year since I've had my car, and Sweetie's been hand washing my car for me. This is the first time we are going in a car wash. Ugh, and I know the inside is pretty clean because he vacuumed. You know, Sweetie does a thing inside here, so it's pretty clean. I just need to dust my glass and stuff like that. Yeah, so yes guys, so my mom said don't worry about the bird, just leave the garage door open and it'll eventually find its way out. Are y'all superstitious? Do y'all believe in those type of things? Like if a bird flies in your house, it means something. Not in your house, but you know, in your garage. Does it mean anything? I don't know. Oh boy, let me see. What's that, 15 or 29?
It's 15. The membership is 29, but 15 today will get you started for.
Yeah, I don't want the plan. I just want a regular wash.
Okay, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
It's a busy day today.
Yeah.
Wow.
The sun that came out.
I know that's right.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Zara DJ Trouble, I see you, boy.
Look, me verse you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes fell low, they told me they spinning. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not
You
gon'
need
do
to do all the cleaning and vacuuming and all of that.
So they can reach
I
their
ain't
goals
trying it, y'all.
and do amazing things.
I'm not drying my car. I'll let the air dry it. Anyway, I didn't eat all day. I don't know. I got food in the house. I'm not buying nothing to eat. Yesterday, we went to This Is It, and I still have some food left over. So that is what I'm going to eat when I get back in the house. I'm going inside Hobby Lobby. Go ahead. You can go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Damn, this is not a good spot. Always an accident over here. Come on, let me go, let me go. Let me go, let me go. Thank you. That spot right there is dangerous. Okay guys, so I looked on ChatGPT on what it means when a bird flies in your garage. 3 things came up. Actually 4 things came up. 1, it's looking for shelter. 2 is attracted by light. 3 is nesting opportunity. And 4 is accidental entry, which was, I don't know what it was. I don't know why he came inside the garage. Hobby Lobby is closed on Sundays. What? It wasn't meant. Guess I'm going back home. I'm cooking dinner tonight. I don't know what I'm cooking for dinner. Oh my goodness. Ladies, do y'all have that problem? Like y'all be like, what am I cook for dinner? What am I? See, when you live alone, you don't have those problems. You ain't got to go through that. But when you cooking for two men, you better believe it, you're going to have those issues. It's 12 o'clock. And I want to eat. Made it home. Close that garage door real quick.
A few moments later.
My leftovers from yesterday. I have some whiting. I'm about to put that in the oven. Yep. Since my lunch is in the oven warming up, I am going to start making my rice and peas. Some fresh thyme, cream coconut. Y'all seen me make rice and peas plenty of times, so I'm not going to film the whole process. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing while my food warms up. I need my garlic. Your 2 garlic cloves. Onion, garlic, sweet bell pepper, any kind of bell pepper, and some fresh thyme. In my rice cooker, I have 1 can of dark red kidney beans, and that same can I filled it up twice with water. And I'm gonna take half of it. Onion powder, some accent salt. Here it is. Some red pepper flake. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna stir it up, close it, and start it up. So, here I have my rice. I have 4 cups of rice. This is parboiled rice. When I get to like 30 minutes over here, I'll wash my rice and then put the rice in there. Your girl is hungry. It's time to eat. Mac and cheese, collard greens, and a small piece of cornbread. That is my lunch for today. Yeah. That look good. Simply strawberry juice drink. Get the hair out the way. These collards are good. Mac and cheese. 120. This is the first meal of the day. Take some of this fish. Whiting. Cheers. That strawberry juice is the bomb. 4 minutes and the rice will be done. Hey y'all. Oh, I am full and I'm tired. Yeah, so the rice and peas is finished. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. I'm not done with dinner. That was the only thing I decided to do. It's still early. It's like, I think it's 1:30 right now. I am ready to lay down for a few minutes, take a little break, probably go back downstairs within an hour and finish off my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with your girl. If you made it to the end of this video, which is right here, and you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you all in the next one. Peace and blessings.